Finding yourself stuck out on the ledge, and there ain't no healing from cutting yourself with the jagged edge. I'm telling you